Here we're running what I would call our open house layout. And actually what I would consider to be kind of the go-to bread and butter presentation on the showcase. Think about when you're doing presentations for clients or at shows or whatever now. Basically, you're usually having to show products from your web page. So you could have that on part of the screen instead of the whole screen being the web page. Maybe you've got a slideshow. You want to show pictures of your products or whatever you do. Maybe you've got a video or videos that talk about your products and services. The great thing about the showcase, instead of having to jockey these things back and forth, get things out of the way to show, they're all on the screen together. And as I said, I've got the sound turned out off, so it's very easy, as I showed in one of our earlier videos, to turn the sound on. I think it's a silent movie. This one's not. There we go, we got sound. See, I can mute them from here if I want to, so I'll just leave the sound on. But with this, instead of being at the mercy of either showing things on your web page, and incidentally, one other thing to say about this, particularly if you're a franchise or it's a large company that you work for, if you had some great ideas to change on the web page so it'd be more useful for the next presentation you do, what do you think the chances of getting it changed are? It's pretty slim. But the great thing is you can use the company website with all of the great features and functionality that's on there, but you can use the rest of the screen to customize and use the stuff that you want and put the stuff that you want to show on there. You could take pictures this morning or put together a really cool PowerPoint slideshow, turn that into a group of pictures, click, click, boom, it's up to the web. That new slideshow shows up here. The beauty and the power of a YouTube playlist, if we tell it that this part of the screen is going to be a YouTube playlist, is you can add videos to that all day long. You can delete videos, you can rearrange them. And every time that this device starts up, the video is going to change, this playlist is going to change to whatever you got.
With its engaging and inviting outdoor
So that gives you an incredible amount of power to customize the presentations that you're doing when you're at shows. The showcase from CSRA Multimedia, happy showcasing. From car to operational to incredible within a couple of minutes.